Hey y'all, so today I wanted to talk skincare. Now it's been a while since I've done a skincare routine, but I feel that it's very important because a lot of you ask me what I put on my skin, and I think it's just time. It's been about 2 years now and my skin routine has changed tremendously. Being that I'm a lot older now, well, not a lot older, only 2 years older than my last skincare video. So being that my skin is a little bit more mature now, that's a better word, right? I have been in need of a lot more moisture, and I feel that since I'm aging and just since that I'm in that 30-year-old range, not gonna give away my age, my skin is in pretty good condition, might I say, a lot better condition than it used to be. I do have oily combination skin. I do have oiliness right here in the T-zone, and then like on the outer parts I have more drier skin. With mature skin or pre-mature skin, you want to moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. That is the most important thing. So I've been using some products that I have completely fallen in love with. This is how I get this glowy, flawless skin without any makeup, without any highlighter. So if you're interested, keep watching. So the first routine that I'm going to be sharing with you is my nighttime routine. So I'm starting off with the full face of my everyday makeup. The first step is going to be to pre-cleanse. My skin has changed tremendously since I've added pre-cleansing to my routine. And all I do is use some coconut oil and I rub that into my face really well. And this is just gonna melt off that makeup and excess oil and excess debris off of my face. I find this much better than just going right into cleansing and rubbing makeup into my pores, which we definitely don't want. Then I rinse with some warm water to open up my pores and to prep my face for cleansing. And to remove makeup from around my eyes, I just simply use a wet cotton ball. To cleanse, I alternate cleansers depending on what my skin needs at the moment. And here I'm just using a gel oil control cleanser to balance out my skin and deep cleanse my pores and remove any excess oil. And after that, I just rinse well with some warm water. The next step is toning, and I just love this Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner by Fresh, which has real rose petals in the bottle. This toner is so gentle on my skin because it's alcohol free, yet it helps minimize my pores, and it's super soothing on my skin because it contains rose water and rose oil, and it also increases hydration by 46% for 6 hours. The next step is the game changer. I'm going to be using this new product by Fresh, and it's the Rose Deep Hydration Sleeping Mask, which is going to replenish any lost moisture in my skin. I'm applying the gel essence mask first, which is super cooling to the skin, and it's going to smooth and plump my skin. I'm going to let my skin soak that up, and then I'm going to apply the water cream mask to lock in the moisture. And this product actually has a time release formulation that allows hydro patches to hydrate my skin throughout the night as I sleep and even after. Now that my skin is nice and hydrated, it's time to go to bed. Now, assuming that I got a full night's worth of rest, which never happens, I just wake up and my skin is noticeably dewy and moisturized, but I'm gonna go ahead and splash some super cold water onto my face, and that's just gonna wake me up, close my pores, and seal in any moisture from the mask. Then I just pat dry and tone with Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner to balance out my skin and shrink my pores. Next, I'm using the Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream, which is a lightweight cream that's going to rehydrate my skin and even it out before I even apply any makeup. And the hydration literally lasts all day long without making my face feel oily. I apply some to my face, my neck, and even under my eyes where I need the most moisture. And of course, we can't forget the lips. The lips are a part of our face, so I just apply some lip balm and I'm done. And that is how I achieve clear, clean, and glowing skin. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. All of these wonderful fresh products can be found at your local Sephora inside JCPenney, so definitely check them out. Also, all of the links to the products can be found below in the description box. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.